Hello everyone. Today again we will go through the DeepSeek's impact on US tech stocks as of February 2025. It's basically game-changing AI artificial intelligence shakes the market. So Chinese tech company DeepSeek caused panic in the US stocks by releasing an AI tool called R1, similar to ChatGPT, but at a tiny fraction of cost, $5.6 million versus billions spent by US companies. This made investors question whether American tech giants had overspent on AI projects and if their dominance was at risk. So due to that impact, Nvidia, a major US tech company known for AI-related hardware, saw its stock value drop by 600 billion in one day on the January 27, 2025, the worst single day loss ever. The broader US stock market also fell. The Nasdaq, heavy on tech stocks, dropped over 3%, and an S&P 500, a general market index, fell nearly 2%. So companies making computer chips like Broadcom, AMD, and energy firms power data centers like Constellation were hit hard. Why are people skeptical? So the question is why it impacted all of these. So as we already have discussed that this DeepSeek R1 was developed using very few resources as compared to the US AI ChatGPT. So people are rightly skeptical because DeepSeek claimed it built R1 DeepSeek R1 using mid-range computer chips, not the most expensive ones, and clever software tricks to cut costs. But experts aren't convinced. Some think DeepSeek might have used more resources than reported, or borrowed ideas from existing AI tools like OpenAI ChatGPT. Elon Musk even suggested DeepSeek might have bypassed US restrictions on selling advanced tech to China. Okay. Next, biggest risks for investors. So basically, that will definitely impact the confidence, shake the confidence of the investors. Basically, overpriced tech stocks. The tech stocks are overpriced because the heavy costs already spent. US tech companies are valued very highly, similar to the dot-com bubble of 2000s. Investor feared cheaper AI tools like R1 could make their expensive investments less profitable. Makes sense. Global shifts. Chinese tech firms like Baidu, Alibaba are rising, while US investors rethink their reliance on giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. Energy worries. So companies that supply power to data centers where AI runs, because as everybody knows, AI is a very heavily power intensive computers, use the heavy power intensive computers. So their stocks, energy companies stock dropped sharply as people worry AI growth might slow. market bounced back little. By January 28th, tech stocks partially recovered. Nvidia stock rose 8%, gaining 200 billion, lost 600, now back gain 200 billion in value, and the Nasdaq climbed 2%. Experts now advise diversifying investments, looking at markets outside the United States, like China and Japan, or sectors like banking and manufacturing, to avoid relying too much on volatile tech stocks. Tech stocks are volatile because there are always breakthroughs coming into the tech markets, and the costs are drastically decreased. So relying on too much on these tech stocks is not advisable. That's what it says. What's next? Cheaper AI for everyone. DeepSeek's low-cost approach could spread AI faster, but challenge big cloud companies like Amazon's AWS or Microsoft Azure to adopt. US versus China tech race. The US still leads in areas like biotech and chip research, while China excels in manufacturing robots, smart devices, and drones. Political risks. Trade tensions and US-China tech competition and uncertainty, but experts believe big US tech firms have enough cash to survive the turbulence. Bottom line. DeepSeek's rise exposed weaknesses in the US tech sector's heavy spending on AI. While market calmed, the event highlights a shift toward global competition and cheaper innovation. Investors could spread their bets and rethink assumptions about how much money AI really needs to succeed. That's very true, because that's the biggest the breakthrough of the DeepSeek's R1 shaken the investors' confidence because of the low cost. So that they have to rethink about how much money AI really needs. So that's it. We created this information based on some sources from CNN and Irish Times. So thank you very much. I will keep on highlighting the developments in the DeepSeek innovations and in its market. So that's it for today. So have a good day. Bye.